Good morning. Oral 4. Description of my house. We live in a house in Cucuta, Colombia, in a residential sector of the city. The house is very nice. In my house, I have 4 rooms, 1 living room, 1 kitchen, 1 bathroom, and 1 hall. The living room is next to my room. In the living room, we have 2 sofas and an armchair. We have a little table. We have a TV and DVD. And we have some music discs and DVD player. The kitchen is next to my parents' room. In the kitchen, we have a TV, 1 fridge, 1 cooker, and big table. The bathroom is far from the kitchen. In the bathroom, we have a toilet, a shower, and a sink. My room is beautiful. It's where I rest after a long day. I have a big bed. Then I have a bedside table where I have a picture of my family. I have a big mirror. I have a table where my crayons and colognes are. I have a TV. I have some photos hanging on the wall. Thank you very much.